Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Nabila binti Abdul Rahman. My metric number is S50673. So, this is my presentation for summarize phylum echinodermata from my subject aquatic bioinvertebrate. And my lecturer name is Dr. Shumpei Ihata. So, okay, sorry. So, echinoderms are mean by name for the spine or bumps covering the outer surface of the bodies of many of them. Many of them means the animal, the phylum. So in Greek, root weight, which is echino, mean by spiny, while in Latin root weight, derm mean by skin. So example of echinoderms include sea star. Oh, sorry. Sea star, okay, or starfish, sea urchin. Oh, I didn't put the sea urchin, this picture, but I will show later in other slide. Sea cucumber, beetle star, and feather star. Feather star, or we call it as water lilies. Okay, next. The two major defining characteristics that set them apart from other animals in other phylum. So the first one is a water vascular system. So this is a water vascular system for sea urchin. And the next is five-sided radial symmetry, which is most of them are in are in star shape. Okay. So for water vascular system. Okay. Water vascular system is a complex series of canals through an echinoderm's body. It is a hydraulic pressure system that acts in movement. The canals are water-filled tubes that open to the outside through a skeletal plate called the madreporite. Okay, as we can see, this is the madreporite. Madreporite is mean by madre in a Latin root word which is mother, while porite is a small hole. So it's a so the mean by this madre porite is a main small hole that lying on the surface near the anal opening, which is this. Okay. Okay. Then water will enter and lift the tubes through this sieve-like plate. An echinoderm move by using many tube feet. Okay, this is the tube feet. Okay, so like what I told, water vascular system is also important for locomotion, feeding, respiratory, gas action, and sensory. So this for locomotion for the tube feet. Okay, tube feet are small, delicate projection attached along the side of water-filled tube called a radial canal. Okay, this is radial canal, which is water will enter the canal also. And then tube feet extend through the small hole in the skeleton to the outside. Okay, next is the ampullae. Which ampullae? Okay, this ampullae of the tube feet. Okay, the function is like the valve of eyedroppers. When the valve closed and the ampulla muscle contracts, using the ampulla, water shoot in the tube feet, extended it so it can move. When the muscle of the ampulla relax, water move back in the ampulla, fattening the cup and reducing the vacuum. Okay. Yeah, this ampulla connected to a sucker like powder, the whole thing is called tube feet. Okay, next. Okay, this is the main feature of the echinodermata, animals in the phylum echinodermata, like turboblastic, skin contains calcareous ossicles, which is endoskeleton and spine, exclusively marine. Yeah, they live in water. Adult with 5-ray symmetry, but larva is bilaterally symmetrical. We will see next in reproduction slide. A calamate water vascular system which contains its indirect contains which operates hydraulically the locomotive tube feet. Okay, this is the water vascular system just now. Marked generally on lower oral side, anus on upper oral side. Okay, they are vice versa. The mark in the bottom and in the lower and it's at the upper. No proper security system. No differentiate head. Yeah, they don't have head. No excretory organ. Sex are separate. Yeah, they have asexual and sexual. Nervous system diffuse. decentralized, allowing them to engage with their environment equally from all sides. Okay. Next, okay, for the body cavity, like the column, the connected with a complicated system of tube, help provide circulation and respiration. The digestive system is simple but usually complete. They have anus, gut, and mouth. Yeah. Okay, this is for reproduction of phylum echinodermata. Okay, the first one, this is asexual, and the other side is for sexual reproduction. Okay, so as we can see, okay, I will explain about asexual first. Okay, okay, the sexual reproduction, as you can see, this is adult male of starfish, and this is the adult female. So they will uh okay, so sorry, so discharge of sperm and discharge of ovum. They will release sperm and ovum, and they will go for fertilization, and then yeah, zygote, cleavage. Okay, this is biostylation as usual. Okay, this is the cycle. Oh, sorry, this is the cycle. Level development, Barcula attached, yeah, like this. So it will become a young starfish, and this called metamorphosis. Okay, next it will become an adult. Okay, this was sexual. So for asexual, which is okay, in other side. Okay, asexual reproduction takes place by splitting, which is fragmentation. As we can see, they will splitting their body, yeah, like okay, and then they will regeneration. Okay, then yeah, they will be like this. Okay. The broken part of the seed stalk can sometimes regenerate whole animals. So this for ancestral, which is doesn't have adult male or female, just on their body. Okay, so next is okay. This is a class of the phylum Echinodermata. So this first class is Teleroidea. Okay, we can see the subclass is Asteroidea, which is this sea star or starfish, and then we have Ophiuroidea, beetle star. Okay, then uh okay, the characteristic of the Steroidea is can live up to 35 years, and then mostly they have a five arm with a central disc, yeah, like you can see. Oh my god, okay, we can see the central disc and five radial symmetry. They are scavengers and carnivorous. They move by using their feet. Okay, next is echinoidea, okay, including sea urchin. So they also have their teeth of Aristotle lengthen, which is the mouth bears a distinctive grazing apparatus. They used to bite of algae and others bit of fruit from the bottom. Next is a class Holothuroidea. Okay, the species under this class is such as sea cucumber. Okay, one of the interesting fact of this class, they have a thousand and hundred living species, life for 5 until 10 years. They are closely related to Echinoidea. They are related, the two, but for Holothuroidea, they have tiny ossicles they are elongated. Yeah, we can see obviously the shape, which is sea urchin is like a ball, yes, round shape, while sea cucumber is more to elongated size. And then lie on the size of the body, madreporite is normal. Okay, next the last class, which is crinoidea. Okay, okay, the species are sea lilies, or yeah, sea lilies, like feathers like stuff. Okay, crinoidea comprise of the stalk crinoids, sea lilies, and the non-stalk motile comatulid crinoids, feather stalk. Feather stalk lack of stalk and are swimming and crawling animal. So the ability to regenerate lost part. Okay, they have feathers like, okay. Okay, I want to explain about the morphology. Okay, this is, okay, sorry. Okay, this is the crown. The name are crown, and the, okay, for the this a crown, and the lower part is stalk. Like I mentioned before. Okay. Where's, okay. So the this name by punal, and then arms. Okay, we have this cup, and this name, yeah, the in the stalk part, which is columnar, and they have a root, or we call it holdfast. Okay, that's all for phylum echinodermata, and the end of my presentation. Thank you.